Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to HBI Auto. We are in the 2022 GT500 Mustang. This is an incredible car from Ford that I am absolutely head over heels for. This and the GT350 are honestly some of my favorite Mustangs ever created. And one day, maybe I will own one, but for now, let's just enjoy this one that we have for sale available. If you're curious already, go ahead and click the link in the description. But if you're ready to watch this video, let's dive right into it. So this is a 760 horsepower rear-wheel drive 5.2 liter V8 from Ford. It is all handcrafted and hand-built, which is a really cool thing from the factory. And this one was actually made by Michael Dietrich. That's what I was reading on the engine plate, and it's a beautiful thing to still have a hand-built engine from one car person to another. I think it's a really, really nice touch. Now this one is presented in a really nice, I believe it's either grabber blue or it's in that like nitrous blue. So looking inside, this is a full black interior on this GT500. It is a beautiful interior, lots to look out. Now, if you've driven modern day Mustangs before, you'll recognize a lot of this as similar interior with a few different changes. Like I said, this is a hand stitched steering wheel. It's very comfortable, really nice paddle shifters, and it's just so good. You got a really nice display screen right here that is touchscreen. Really nice and handy. It's not the most responsive one. It's not very fast, but it's all right for what it is. You do have all your controls down here, including your power button, and these are you got your hazards, your traction control button, your exhaust button, and your driving mode buttons right there. You do have a place for your phone right here. You do have, this is one of the downfalls of this car, is that you do have this spinning dial right here for your gear selection. Your emergency brake is right there. Bonus, you do have really nice cup holders right here, so that kind of makes up for that. But looking around, full black interior. You got a really cool chassis plate right there. You do have your oil pressure and your oil temp gauges right there, so that's actually a really cool feature. Overall though, really spacious interior. You do have very plush leather seats right here. Now these are very, very comfortable, and they are half electric, half manual adjusting, but they're just so squishy. Now I don't know if these are the Recaros. I think some models are spec'd with Recaros and then some aren't. I don't believe these are, because last time I remember, it says Recaro on the side very clearly. But overall, this is a very spacious interior. I've always considered the GT500 one of the more comfortable muscle cars that I've ridden in and driven. And it's almost too comfortable. It's almost too squishy for me to fully enjoy like the power of that 5.2 liter V8. Now, it's not a bad thing to have a lot of comfort. It makes me feel like you can put significant miles on this. You could throw it on the track and then drive it home. So you gotta pick your battles, but I don't think the comfort outweighs all the, the enjoyment of the power and so on and so forth. But just really good driving experience here right now. But let's go ahead and jump out. We're gonna show you the very beautiful paint exterior, and of course we're gonna pop the hood and maybe get some exterior reps. We'll see. So this is the exterior of this 2022 GT500. A beautiful, beautiful blue. I do believe this is grabber blue. If not, it's like nitrous blue or something. I'm gonna put it on the screen, so correct me if I'm wrong, but it's a stunning, stunning factory color from Ford. Now you do have really nice Brembo brakes on there. These are a 305 30/20s in the front, and then I believe they are 315 30/20s in the back. So you have a staggered setup, Brembo brakes, not too shabby of a setup right there. You do have the dual quad tip exhaust back here from Ford. Again, this is a active exhaust, so you do have your quiet mode, sport mode, and then you have your full track mode that really just unleashes the sound of that V8. So what's interesting about the GT500 is you have these hood presses. If I can get it. There we go. I'm not very strong with one hand. So after I lifted that up, this is the 5.2 liter V8 hand-built with pride from Ford, barely broken into, and it's just so clean in here. You have that JLT performance intake. As you can see, this is an aftermarket piece right here. So I was wrong. This does have only 5,000 miles on it, so it's even less mileage than I thought, which is good. But that's going to wrap it up for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. If you are interested in this 2022 GT500, please check out the link in the description below. We've got way more pictures, and we do have a full walk-around video available for those that are interested. I digress. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.